So every single day almost, I am using Machine's drum synths when I'm making beats. And every day I kind of figure out a new way in which to use them. I sort of refine my process in the ways that I use drum synths. Now, the ways that I see a lot of other people utilizing them on YouTube are, sort of one-dimensional. So today I wanted to share with you a technique and a process that I've discovered that allows you to use your drum synths in a more dynamic way. I figured out that the best way to use drum synths is to use these sounds as supplementary sounds. Like, by that I mean layering your drum synths with organic sounds. Why would you do that? Well, because one, it's really easy to do that. It's really easy to use drum synths, like for example layering a sub bass underneath a vinyl style kick drum. It makes it very simple to use using drum synths to tune everything properly and correctly. It's really quick and it's really simple, and not only that, but it makes it very easy for you to custom create your own sound on Maschine. All right, you're gonna make completely custom tailored sounds to every project and every situation, which is gonna make your music sound so much better. So this video is gonna be a little bit different than the others in that I'm not gonna teach you something directly. As opposed to teaching you, I'm going to let you just look over my shoulder as I'm using Machine's drum synths. And I'm going to take you through my workflow from start to finish of building a drum groove using a whole bunch of different techniques. You're going to see me layer drum sounds using Maschine. You're going to see me using equalizers to tune and to sort of refine and design better drum sounds. You're going to see me using distortion probably to make my sub bass more gritty and grimy. You're going to see me using synth channels to double the thickness of my sound and make things more, more full and more robust in the beat. So you're going to learn a lot of techniques. You're going to see me do them firsthand. I'm just going to walk through my workflow. I'm not going to talk very much, but I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, and I'll sort of break things down in the end. So let's jump on over to Maschine and we can get it cracking. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to try to do the least amount of talking as possible. I'm going to jump into, I've got this sample library from Idiom. If you guys haven't heard of Idiom samples, it's like just great found sounds. So what I'm going to do essentially is try to combine Idiom sounds with Maschine drum synths. And together, I think those two are going to form a really solid drum sound because it's going to be super unique. So I'm going to jump in and create this groove. All right, so y'all heard it. That was pretty quick. At this point, like I got the basic like drums, I got the melody, I got sort of like a secondary melody to sort of fill out the background. At this point, what I would do is maybe one more sound needs to be in this beat, something like a third tertiary melody, sort of that's sitting off in the background, maybe like some bells or something. Nothing too I guess, overwhelming. You want it to be staccato, sort of, just to fill in the empty spaces that are left. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's like it's simple as hell. Like just throw on the drums, get a groove going, throw on a melody, get a melodic section going, and that fills out the beat, man. It's super quick and super easy. As you can see, 15 minutes, I already got a solid beat idea, pumping and ready to go. This is like the possibilities once you understand the Maschine workflow. And once you understand, like you saw, like I automatically know what I'm going to do every time I throw on a beat. I basically got the rough mix down at the same time, did some sound design, drastically altered my sounds, got the groove and the timing and the editing of everything perfect. At the same time, while creating, I'm mixing. And that's the power of the Maschine workflow. And that's really what I want to share with you. Like as a producer, I feel like you need to learn this stuff. And I gotta give you the resource that has condensed all of my knowledge into one useful little package, so that you can understand the details inside of everything that I just did for you. Like you saw me whip out an EQ. In this book that I've got for you, there are in-depth information and details about how I utilize equalizers on Maschine in order to perfect my sound. You saw me throw on a compressor. You saw me throw on synth channels and saturators. Everything from building the drum groove in the beginning to understanding the Maschine workflow to sampling. We've got everything inside this book. It's called Maschine, the Hip Hop Beatmaker's Missing Manual. I've got a ridiculous discount going on. So if you enjoyed this video, if you really fuck with my workflow, if you fuck with my music, obviously I know what I'm talking about. So I want you to go ahead and grab this book, man. It's just $1. Seriously. $1 for you to get the best resource in the world, learning from the best Maschine producer in the world. I don't know about in the world, but at least one that's teaching on the internet. I'm not going to say I'm, freaking Just Blaze or somebody like Pharrell or somebody like that. But as far as people teaching, creating resources and books, not only that, but I'm also making great music. I want to give you the opportunity to learn from me for a deeply discounted price. This book normally sells, it's pretty expensive. I think it's like $47 or $48. But I've been doing this sort of marketing thing lately where I want to get this book into the hands of as many people as possible. So today you can grab your copy of Maschine, the Hip Hop Beatmaker's Missing Manual. It's an 89-page book. You can grab it for just $1. For real. No strings attached, no catch. The book is literally $1. So all you got to do is click the link in the description. You're going to be taken to a page like this where you can find out some more information about what's inside of the book and what you're going to learn inside of each chapter. I'll give you a little bit more explanation. You're going to click on the big yellow button. You're going to be taken to the checkout page where you enter your name, your email, and your payment information. Like I said, it's $1. It's you'd have to be dumb not to get this after just seeing that video. Like, I obviously know what I'm talking about. You want to know what I do on Maschine, so just grab it. It's $1, and you can learn my techniques, all right? So I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I post every single day. Like, I'm serious about this, guys. I'm not playing with Maschine. I'm not playing with my music. So I want you to follow along with my process as I learn things, as I grow as a producer, as I move forward with my music career. I want you to be there following me because I'm going to teach you along the way. I'm going to show you what I'm learning to keep you up to speed on the latest and newest concepts and techniques. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, and I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through this process, all right? So subscribe to my channel. Look forward to seeing you later, man. I'll talk to you soon, man. Again, my name is Rob. Check me out on hiphoprally.com. The link to the ebook is in the description. Grab that. Talk to you later. Peace.